operatives of Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency or PDEA nabbed a suspected pusher during a sting operation in Quezon City and confiscating at least 100 grams of shabu. PDEA Director General Arturo Cacdac Jr. identified the suspect as Gilbert Estabilio, 44 years old, of number 17, Barangay Barcelona, Solsona, Ilocos Norte. A PDEA operative disguised as a buyer managed to hatch a deal with Estabilio to facilitate the sale of shabu at a meeting place in Socorro, Quezon City around 10:30 a.m. last March 2. Upon the pre-arranged signal, elements of PDEA Regional Office, National Capital Region, on the suspect after he received two 500 pesos marked bills in exchange for illegal drugs. A case for violation of Section 5, sale of dangerous drugs, Article 2 of Republic 9165, or the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2004 is being prepared for filing in court against Estabilio. That's all, Paul. Back to you.